I am so excited and honored about something that just happened. Look at this beautiful design. It's on my wall as well. It's the most requested, most commented on design I have ever done. So, Sewing Parts Online is honoring me with my very own ambassador box. Look at this. They put the little caricature of me on the front and everything. But I'm not an ambassador. I'm a staff member. So the big boss, Jeremy, did a little creative design and called it an ambassador box. So yes to Jeremy, thank you. So what is the ambassador box? It is a kit for you to create this beautiful quilt top. This is a project for all skill levels. You know, beginners can do this as well. And what goes in my ambassador box? Some of my favorite things and the things that will help you make this project. Starting with this has to be my all-time favorite gadget, not a gadget, but thing in the sewing room, the Fisker's rotating cutting mat. I use this for this project. You deserve one. If you already have one and it's getting worn out, you'll get a new one when you buy the ambassador box. Second, something I keep next to my sewing machine at all times is a wool pressing mat. It's 13.5 inches square. I use it all the time. Used it on this project, in fact. Then you need a cutter. This is an Olfa, classic Olfa 45 millimeter rotating rotary cutter. I love this. I love all of their products. And you can't make this without fabric. The fabric you need, all the fabric you need for this project is included in the box. This is a design that we print here at Sewing Parts Online. So if you've ever wondered or been afraid to order fabric online, you're going to get to test this out. You will see what great quality it really is. And then for the first time ever, written instructions on one of my quilt blocks. Everything I have done is on video only. We've had so many requests over the years for, you know, where are the written instructions? This comes with written instructions. So for you people that like instructions, that is for you. And then the icing on the cake is my very own little sticker, Bob Tossing Fabric. So that to me is fun. This is the ambassador box. This makes a great gift for anyone you know that currently sews or wants to learn how to sew. So I hope you will give it a try. It's my very own. I'm very proud of it. And happy sewing.